It's football season, but I'm not here to break down this week's matchups. The NFL is a $20 billion a year business, one of the biggest and most influential organizations in the world. And do you know who they trust to help run it? Microsoft Copilot. See, they're taking hundreds of years of business and team data, and they're using AI to get ahead, stay efficient, and make better decisions. So if a $20 billion organization is leveraging Copilot to sharpen their competitive edge, what could it do for your business? If you're curious, book a free 15-minute discovery call at savageai.com or join one of our public Copilot classes and see it in action for yourself. Remember, AI is not your competition, it's your advantage.